Sit in Vajrasana or a cross-leg pose with the hands resting on the knees. Spine tall and shoulders away from the ears. Inhale. Slowly circle the neck starting from the side to tilt head backwards. Exhale. Circle the chin downwards from the other side. Complete the circle with smooth, rhythmic movements. Do not strain. Feel the stretch in the neck muscles all through the circles. Circle the neck only and do not move the ribs or the rest of the torso. Inhale as the neck is tilted backwards and exhale as the chin circles in the forward direction. Do not hold your breath. Inhale as the head moves up. Exhale as the head moves down. Sit in cross-leg pose with your spine erect. Place the fingers of your left hand on your left shoulder and the fingers of your right hand on your right shoulder. Fully rotate your elbows at the same time, making large circles in opposite directions. Practice 5 times clockwise and then 5 times anti-clockwise. Try to touch your biceps to the ears while going upward. Squeeze your shoulder blades together while going backward. Touch the sides of your torso on the downward movement and touch your elbows in front of your chest on the forward movement. Keep the rest of your torso steady. Breathe normally. Tighten your abs and lift up from the base of your spine to maintain upright posture. Do not move your neck to increase range of motion at the shoulders. Sit on the floor, bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet with both your hands. Shift your hips forward to bring your heels as close to your body as possible. Lift your knees up and deliberately push down, using your elbows as levers to press your inner thigh down. Try to touch your knees to the ground on the downward stroke. Practice 30 to 50 up and down movements. Do not use any force while pressing your knees down. Completely relax your inner thigh muscles. Visualize the movement as fluttering of a butterfly's wings. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, collarbone wide. Weight should be equally distributed on both your feet, navel gently pulled into the spine and neutral arch in the spine. Interlock fingers and raise your arms overhead with elbows bent. Palms should face upwards. Inhale and straighten your elbows and reach arms up. Raise the heels simultaneously. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Focus on a point ahead of you. Maintain normal breathing pace. Interlock fingers and raise your arms overhead with elbows bent. Palms should face upwards. Inhale and straighten your elbows and reach arms up. Raise the heels simultaneously. Keep shoulder blades down away from the ears. Gently tighten your abs and glutes to maintain balance. Get into a quadruped position. Your knees may be together or slightly separated. This is the starting position. Inhale and raise your head and arch your spine so that the mid and lower back sink towards the floor. Expand your abdomen fully and fill the lungs with the maximum amount of air. Exhale while tucking the chin in. Push the mid and lower back upward and tuck the tailbone inwards at the end of the exhalation. This is one round. Lie face down on the mat. Keep your feet together, toes pointed, and place your chin on the floor. Place your hands below your thighs so that your palms face your thighs. Inhale. Tighten the right glute and abs and raise your right leg up to 30 to 45 degrees. Gently tighten the abs and keep legs active by pulling up the kneecaps. Exhale. Bring the leg back down but keep it active. Now inhale. Tighten the left glute and raise your left leg up to 30 to 45 degrees. Keep navel tucked in to avoid sinking into the lower back. And exhale. Bring it back down. Inhale as you bring both your legs up to 30 to 45 degrees. Initiate the lift from the thigh and keep your knees straight and toes pointed. Exhale and bring both legs down with control. While lifting both your legs, keep inner thighs pressing against each other. Try to relax the shoulders and neck during the pose. Your hands out, separate both your feet and relax. Lie on your stomach, hands resting under your chin, legs slightly separated, and stretch your arms in the front, parallel to each other with palms facing down. Now inhale deeply. Lift your right arm and left leg off the floor simultaneously. Lift your head and ribcage off as much as you can. Exhale and bring your arms, leg, chest and head slowly on the ground. Again inhale. Lift your left arm and right leg off the floor simultaneously. Lift your head and ribcage off and arch the spine as much as you can. Exhale and bring your arms, leg, chest and head slowly on the ground. Now inhale deeply and lift all the four limbs, your head and chest off the floor simultaneously. Exhale and bring your arms, leg, chest and head slowly on the ground. Ensure that your elbows and knees are not bent. Think of reaching on either side. Lie down on your stomach. Make sure your feet are together with the toes against the floor. Place your arms underneath the shoulders. Now, placing your body's weight on your palms, inhale and raise your head and trunk. Arch your back and make sure your shoulders are away from your ears. Think of growing taller from the neck, shoulders and spine. Keep navel pulled into the spine to support your lower back. Inhale, slowly bring down your body, rest your chin on the ground, then forehead touching the ground and relax. Lie flat on your stomach with your feet together and your arms and hands beside your body. Bend your knees and bring your heels close to your buttocks. Interlock your fingers around your ankles. Arch your back, lifting your thighs, chest and head together. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Keep your arms straight. Come back to the starting position. Sit in Sukhasana. Keep your back straight but feel relaxed in this position. Place your hands in the Dhyana Mudra. Close your eyes and mouth and breathe normally. Inhale, and while you exhale, chant Om. Om. As you finish chanting Om 3 times, bring your hands in the prayer position and chant Shanti 3 times.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Now rub your hands against each other and place it on your eyes. Feel the warmth. Blink your eyes and relax.
Atma Namaste.